For many of us, staring at a computer screen takes up the majority of your day. Studies show between 50 and 90% of people who work at a computer have symptoms of eye trouble. Well, Dr. Dan Hennessey of Little Rock Eye Clinic joins us with ways to minimize eye strain caused by computer screens. So good morning. Good to see you again.
Morning. Thank you.
Is this really a big deal? Are you seeing a lot more people come in that have eye problems because of computers?
Every day. Our eyes just are not built to stare at a computer screen for hours on end. And so we experience discomfort associated with that. One of the bigger problems is that normally we blink about 18 times a minute, and that drops by 50% when we're staring at a computer screen.
So is that the reason why our eyes start to malfunction, I guess, while we're looking at a computer screen? Or is there something else that the computer is doing to our eyes?
No, the computer itself isn't really that big of a problem, but it's more the reduced blink rate that causes our eyes to be drier than normal, which causes then itchy eyes, dry eyes, other discomforts.
So I guess that's what generally causes the eye strain, I guess, that you're talking about, right?
Correct. And the text on computers, particularly on tablets and handheld devices, tends to be a little smaller than what we normally would look at, and that causes some strain as well.
Okay, what would you recommend we do to help alleviate eye strain while working at a computer?
Well, there's several things that we can do. First of all, you want to push that computer screen back a bit, at least 20 to 26 inches away from your eyes. That will help. Make sure that it's below eye level, maybe about 10 to 15 degrees below eye level. Further, we want to angle the screen so that there are very few reflections, and clean the smudges off the screen. That helps quite a bit as well.
Okay, what about increasing the font size? Does that help?
Absolutely. If you can do that, if you can use that zoom toggle on your screen, that would make a big difference as well. I
know it's kind of an unconscious thing that we blink X amount of times. Should we try to remember blink, 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 you think?
If you can. I mean, it's not something that comes very naturally. But using artificial tears or re-wetting drops, if you're a contact lens wearer, can help quite a bit. Breathing, believe it or not, more evenly and steadily can help some. When we're under stress, we tend to hold our breath a little bit. So if we're working very hard at something, breathing actually relaxes the eye muscles some. And then finally, taking breaks as well. There's what we call a 20-20-20 rule, looking 20 feet away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes be a big help. If you wear a bifocal or trifocal, having computer glasses made is a big help as well.
Okay, well, just about other general helpful information regarding eye strain not associated with computers. Some helpful tips. What should we do?
Well, just having an up-to-date prescription is helpful. Making sure that you're not using something that's 5, 6, 7 years old, because our eyes do change over time. That could make a difference.
Okay, how often should we have our eyes checked?
Most people about every 2 years or so, annually if you're a contact lens wearer.
Okay. Dr. Dan Hennessey, thank you very much for coming in. Stay away from your, if you have to stare at your computers, you might want to take breaks and lubricate the old eyes. None of my eyes need it right now. All the bright lights in here, too.